Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just covered up the two project-based tutorials of React 18 and the Java, and I hope you understand that. In the previous video, we have covered up the video of React 18, and I hope you enjoy that video. So today we are just working with Java, and today I will be telling you that what project we'll be building through Java. Moving forward, I will be telling you the project which we are building today through Java, and I hope you will be enjoying today's video also, the project which we are building through Java. So if you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these amazing languages. You can suggest me in the comments like what projects I should build using Java, or if you want to suggest me any other project, means any other language tutorial, so you can also suggest that. Soon when I will be finishing these tutorials, I'll be moving on to that tutorial which you will be suggesting me in the comment. You can also tell me the big projects which I am building, in which language I should build that big projects, and how I should build that big projects, and what build big project which you will build. So now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that what Java project today we are building from start to end, and how we are building it through Java, what things we will be using, and what the tag we are using in Java to build this amazing project from start. So today we are just building this amazing project, and like I've telling you, today we are building an amazing project in Java, and I've not telling you in the starting what project we are building. So today I will be telling you how we can just build an amazing employee system using Java. And now we'll be starting with our project and seeing how we can build this project. So I will be taking new window for that. After taking the new window, I will be closing the previous window here. Then I will be opening my folder, and my folder is on desktop, and you can see here is my folder employee system in Java. So I will be opening this folder. These are my main files from which we'll be working in this project here. I will be raising all the codes which we are getting on these files here, because we will be not needing these things here. So I will be moving here and directly erasing these all stuff. Then I will be now saving it. Here I will be changing the title to employee system. So I will be now writing here employee system in Java like this. You can write here with Java or using Java like this you want to write here. Then I will be moving to this file. You can see these are the things which we will be now doing here with it. So I will be raising all the things from here as well. Now I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel, and now we'll be starting with our project which we are building of employee system. So I will be now opening this folder, means opening this file in my default Google Chrome browser. You can see now I've opened this. So I will be closing my file explorer here, and then after closing it, you have to do it side by side, and you can see now we are just getting our coding side at the left, and at the right we are getting the interface side here. After getting these things, we have to move in this main body tag, and we have to start our codes. So first of all, I will be now giving it the class of flex container in this div. Then you have to just write here another class which should be like flex child. Then I will be now writing here magenta like this. After writing this thing, you have to move again, and then you have to write here table. So I will be now writing here table class, and here in class I will be writing table. Then you have to write here tr tag. In tr I will be now giving it the class of table row. So I will be writing here table row. Then you have to write here td, and here you have to write form tag. Then you have to now just write here on submit is equals to like event dot prevent default. So I will be now writing here prevent default value like this thing. And after writing this value here, you have to make this brackets here. Then after making the bracket, you have to write here on. So here I will be now writing on form submit. So I will be writing here on form submit value, make this bracket, and then close this value here. Here you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down, and then after moving down, I will be creating a div with the class of container. Here you have to now just write here h1, write here heading 1. Then in heading 1, I will be writing here register. Then you have to just write p tag id p1. So here I will be writing, and then I will be writing here please fill. Then I will be writing this form to create a record. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this thing, you have to now close by writing this full stop. You have to close it. hr tag I will be now writing here. Then write here label, and I will be removing this. Write here id label. Here you have to write here for employee name. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving here, and I will be writing here employee name b tag. And again I will be now just doing one thing. I'll be pressing Ctrl Z here. After doing this thing, I will be writing here employee name like this. Then you have to move under this label tag directly and write here input, type text, and then write here placeholder, and write here enter name. And then you have to now write here in name tag name, write here id should be name. Then you have to write here required. After writing this, you have to write here label, and then I will be now just writing here id. So here I will be writing id label, and then you have to now just write here for, which should be city. Then you have to just now write here like this. And here after writing this thing, just I will be moving forward and then write here B tag, and then I will be now just writing here city like this. Here you have to just now moving down and then write here input tag and write type tags, write here placeholder, and then you have to now just write here enter city, and then you have to just now move here and then write here name city again. Then I will be just now writing here id, which should be like city required. Then you have to just now move down, right here label id. So I will be removing this for, and then I will be directly writing here label for and right here salary like this. And after writing this, you have to now just write here b tag and write here salary. And after writing this, I will be moving under this close label tag, and I will be now writing here type number name salary like this, right here id salary, and then you have to write here placeholder, and I will be writing here salary. Then you have to just now write here required. After writing this, you have to write HR tag, and then you have to now just not give a space from here. And after giving a space, just I will be writing the button type should be submit. So here I will be writing type submit. Then you have to write here name submit and write class, which should be registration. So here I will be now writing register BPN. Then you have to just write here submit. Here you have to now just save it. Then you have to reload. So you can see now we are getting all these things here. And after getting this, here you have to move after this tag, give a space from here. Then I will be giving a space from here as well. And then after doing these things, here you have to just do one thing. Here we have to now just move under this close div tag which we have created here, and I will be making a div again, and then I will be giving it the class of flex child and write here green. Then you have to just now write here td tag and write here table. So here I will be writing table id employee list. Then I will be now just moving down, right here h1, and I will be now writing here id record. Then you have to write here record again. After writing this, you have to write here t head, and t head I will be writing id tab head. So here I will be writing this. Then write here tr tag and write here th, and I will be writing here employee name. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to move down, write here th and write city. Then move down, write here th salary. Then move down, write again th tag and write here edit. After writing this, you have to write here delete. Then you have to just move down this tag, right here t body. In t body, I will be writing tab underscore body. And here you have to just now do one thing. I will be moving down after this tag by giving a space. And then from here also you have to give a space like this. You can see we have just set all these all things. Then you have to save it and reload. You can see we are getting all these things here. After getting this, you have to move to this file which is called crude.css, in which we'll be writing our codes to style this. So I will be now writing here box sizing, which should be border box. Then you have to now just move down, right here flex container. So I will be writing here. Then here you have to write display flex, right here flex child, and after writing flex child, you have to write here flex 1. Then write here text align, which should be center. Or you can say here I will be writing WebKit and then write here center. Here you have to now just write a tag which should be like border, and here I will be writing 2 pixel solid RGB 255 162 162, close it. And here you have to write flex child, and then after writing this, you have to make this tag here, right here first child. Then you have to move down, and after moving down, I will be writing here margin right 20 pixel. Then you have to just write here container and write here padding, which should be 16 pixel. Then I will be writing here input value, right here type is equals to text. Then you have to just now do one thing. You have to make comma, and after writing this comma value, I will be writing again input type is equals to text. And then you have to just make this tag, and here I will be writing width 100% and right here padding 15 pixel. Then I will be writing here margin, and in margin I will be writing 5 pixel 0 22 pixel 0. Then I will be writing here display inline, and then I will be writing here block, right border, which should be none like this. Then here I will be writing background, and in background I will be writing F3 F3 F3. Then I will be just moving down, right here input type is equals to number value I will be writing here, and right here focus. And then you have to write here comma value like this. And after writing this comma value, I will be writing again the input type number value here. And after writing this, I will be writing focus. So in focus, I will be now writing the background color, and in background color I will be writing triple D. Then you have to write here outline, which should be none. Then I will be now writing here heading 1. So here I will be now writing here margin top. So I will be now just writing here margin top 0 pixel. Right here text align should be center. So I will be now writing this, and here you have to just write font size which should be 40 pixel. Then you have to write here this tag and write p1 means id p1. Write here margin top which should be like 0 pixel. Right here text align center. After writing here you have to write font size which should be 20 pixel. Then I will be now writing the id of label, font size of 22 pixel. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just now write here hashtag salary. So here I will be now writing this. Then here you have to write border one pix inherit, like this I will be writing. Then you have to write this time border radius which should be 30 pixel, and write here font size which should be 18 pixel. Then when you've written this, here you have to just now write here height which should be 30 pixel. Then I will be now writing here color black. Then you have to just now write justify content which should be space between. Then you have to just now write here hr and write here border which should be 1 pix solid, and write here f1. Then you have to just now do one thing, like here I will be writing margin bottom this time which should be 25 pixel. Then I will be writing here register button. So here I will be now writing register, and here I will be now just writing btn. Then you have to just now write a tag which should be like background color, and here I will be writing 04AA6D. Then here I will be writing text color white, and here you have to write the padding 16 pixel. After writing this, here you have to now just write 20 pixel as well with this. Then I will be now writing margin 8 pixel 0. Here you have to write border none. Then I will be now writing here cursor pointer. Then you have to just now write here width which should be 100%. Then I will be now writing here opacity which should be 0.9. After writing this, you have to give it the height here 50 pixel, and then here I will be writing border radius 30 pixel. Then I will be now writing here font size 20 pixel. Here you have to now just write here register, and then I will be now writing btn. Here you have to write hover, and here I will be now writing opacity 1. Then here you have to write a tag color, and in color I will be writing roger. Then I will be now writing here blue. Here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now writing cursor pointer. Then you have to just write here sign in, and then I will be now writing the background color here which should be like f1. Then after writing this, here you have to just now write a tag which should be like text align, and here I will be now writing center. Then you have to write here a tag which should be like employee list. Then I will be now writing here th and write here td. Here you have to now write border which should be 2 pix solid RGB. So here I will be now writing this 214 130. Then you have to write here border collapse and write here collapse. Then you have to now just move down after this. Write here th td. Then I will be writing here padding 10 pixel. Then you have to just now write here th background color, and in background color I will be now writing here RGB 175 173. Then I will be now just writing a tag which should be like 173. After writing this, here you have to now just move down, write here employee list and write here alter. So here I will be now writing this, and here you have to write tr, and in tr I will be writing nth child, and here you have to write event tag. Then you have to give a space and move down, write here background color, and in background color you have to write RGB 230 89, close it. Then you have to just move down after this value, write here employee list, and then I will be now writing here alter tr tag nth child. Then I will be now just writing here odd, and in odd I will be writing background color, and here I will be writing RGB 197, then 38, close this tag, and here you have to write employee list alter. So here I will be now writing here alter. Then I will be writing th, and here you have to write text color white, and here I will be now writing background color gray, and here you have to now just write here record. After writing this, here I will, so now here you can see we have just done till here, and here I will be now writing justify content which should be like center. Now here you have to save it and then reload. So after reloading, you can see we are getting, now if I write any of the employee name, like if I write my name and the city here, then if I write my salary like 35,000 like this, if I write the salary, then if I press submit, you can see now my details are saving here. Like this, you can just save your records at the right side of your record section. So this was our amazing project of employee system. I hope you understand. You can also edit it and delete this. Like this, you can edit, means if you want to change the city, employee name, salary, you can do that. And if you want to delete, you can press delete, and then it will be deleted. Here you can see. So like this, we can just build this amazing employee system. I hope you understand how we have built this employee system using Java. If you understand this, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing projects. So for today, goodbye.